Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a summer theme is a cooking activity. So it's going to be very easy, quick and step to make. Let's get started. First thing you need is some Jello with 2 boxes of package, some milk, and food coloring, and gummy candy, and cinnamon graham cracker, a little umbrella, and some cups, and a ziplock bag. So first thing what I did is I took 2 cup of milk and I poured it inside, and then I take 2 package of vanilla with no sugar, and I stir it in, and then I put 2 drop of blue to make it look like an ocean water, to make sure it's thick and smooth. And now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a spoon, a tablespoon, and I'm gonna pour it in each cup half, like this, half from here. So I'm gonna take this and pour it on here, a little bit on the top till it gets to the top a little, like this, and then you pat it down so to make it flat. And now we're going to take some graham cracker we're going to use 2 graham cracker, and we're going to crush it and make it like a crumb. We're going to open it up. Then we're going to put it inside the Ziploc bag. Then we're going to close it. And then we're going to smash it with your palm of your hand. Now we make it look like a sand. And then we're going to take a little teaspoon. Make sure it's really crumbs so it doesn't be like little big pieces like that. So make it really small. And now we're going to put this on top, half. Not the whole thing, half. And we're going to put it right here. Like this. Put a little bit more. And then we're going to take a little umbrella and we're going to push it in like this. And then, as you see, a gummy, it looks like a little tube. Where you go in and you go in the pool, you know, and you got a little tube, you know, like a noodle. So we're going to put it right here next to the umbrella in the middle. And now, as you see, a beach, little water, ocean, and the sand, and umbrella, and a little noodle. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. If you're new, welcome. And remember, click the red box and notification so you will not miss a fun craft. So see you next time. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.